Nice. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, D1 Quality Fishing. This is officially my first video that I'm uploading on the channel, and I kind of held this one in for over a year before finally deciding to upload it. And yeah, bear with me here. So this is gonna be my second time, I believe, ever going to the Keys to go fishing. I'm originally from the Miami area, and I fished the local piers as far up as Juneau. This is my first time, well, second time, sorry, down in the Keys. I remember the first time I went, paid all that money to get bait and load up and take that drive down there, and all I left with was a keeper yellowtail. This one I had a little more hope, because as you saw at the beginning of the video, as soon as we got on the pier, I saw these guys hook on to that big old jack, and I had a little hope for this day, and it did not disappoint. Now, I don't plan on talking over the whole video, just fill you in a little bit here and there, and a little bit of clips that might need some context. But right over here, we're kind of checking out a few spots. We kind of just got on the bridge, walked down a few of the balconies. We're checking a few spots. I got a couple bites there, but I was a little too slow to get to the rod and kind of missed the fish. I tried my best to bleep out some of the profanity throughout the video, but some of it got caught up in there somewhere. Some of it slipped through the crack, as I am a believer and I myself don't like to curse. I try my best not to curse, so forgive me if a few slipped in there. Live little pinfish over here. I'm gonna try to set it under the pier bridge. I mean, see if we get some type of luck. Right here, I'm casting out a live pinfish on my aquarium, trying to see if I can hook onto a mutton, which was my goal species for that trip. I really wanted to catch my first keeper mutton, and maybe even a big yellow jack.
Yeah, straight on that wall, bro. No, yeah. Right on the wall. There you go.
Oh, I bumped him, honey.
There's 3 of them. But
I think cut belly who would do it.
Yeah. Look. Back to back to back.
I think I got one, but it's small. Huh? So I tried and I tried throughout the trip to get that mutton, but unfortunately no mutton was caught in the making of this video. Caught a few shorts, probably 3 I believe, but guys, we did not get that target species. Now in this part of the video, we had finished moving about 2 to 3 times, and we ended up finding like a group of people that were kind of fishing a little bit spread out. I'm not really promoting fishing over someone, like casting over the lines, but at the end of the day gotta end. And when the day ends, I want to have some fish to take home. So I don't really believe in leaving the fish to go find the fish. At the same time, I wasn't all over their space, invading their space. I kind of gave them some space, and I just put myself in a position where I could get some fish as well. I believe we had about 10 dozen shrimp in totality between the 4 of us that were fishing. And I kid you not, we literally went through every single shrimp that was in our bucket. There we go. Got the first one. And it's a jack. Mike. No, I got it. Blue runner.
Hey.
It's a big ass bait. Dead shrimp. Not this time. There we go. Yep. This is a nice one right here. Man, now I know it might not sound like it. Well, it definitely doesn't sound like it because I did it. But I was really jumping and shouting on the inside because I was so happy to catch my first yellowjack after watching all the guys catch it on the pier over on YouTube. And I was finally able to get my first one. And man, you'll see at the end of the video, we had a haul. Man, it felt like we was at the Sermon on the Mount and Jesus was just multiplying the fish to feed us. That cooler was full. Just wait and see. It's not a lot. Literally instant. Look at him. Yeah. Another one. Damn. Parrotfish.
That's an parrot, yeah.
Got one? There you go.
If you try to bring my fish up.
Look, listen.
Take him off for me, baby.
Shake it.
What up, brother?
The rope on the bucket. Yeah. So right about here, we kind of had like a little situation with the gentleman next to us. He was telling us not to put out the chum bag because it would bring the sharks to the spot.
The scent?
Yes,
The scent?
I think it can,
They smell it too?
but at the same time, it also brings the fish. And as much as I wanted to put the chum bag, I just didn't want to get into a situation with the guy arguing or piss him off. So I just didn't put it in. I told my boy not to even put it in. By the way, I'm fishing with my homeboy Mike and his girlfriend, and then my other boy Loco. That was the four of us fishing, and we couldn't even get a count on how many fish we caught that day. Just drop straight, mother, loving down. So after about like an hour, the bite died down drastically. So I kind of sat down and just took a long blank. Then we got back up, moved the spot over, and we ran back into the fish. Now, I know most people turn their nose down towards jacks, but I find that when they're that small, not necessarily any bigger than a foot really, the meat is pretty normal, pretty nice to eat depending on how you cook it. And you'll quickly find out as you follow my channel that with a Haitian mother, any fish is edible.
Feels like a jack, but definitely got yellow jack. Yes, sir. Nice little yellow jack.
All right, so this next clip over here, I kind of left everyone else fishing, and I got to cutting, or filleting, I should say, and dicing up a few of the yellow jacks that we caught, because I was getting ready to make some ceviche on the bridge. I wanted to make the freshest ceviche possible, and I prepped my ingredients the night before, chopped up some ingredients, packed them, and took them with me. And there I'm just filleting the fish, getting ready to make the magic happen. Now, for the yellow jack and the jack to have such similar names, I don't know how the meat can taste so differently. The yellow jack is a prize fish down in the Keys, and it's so mild, so good, and so fresh that I was able to make ceviche with it and pretty much eat it raw. Ideally, you'd want to be doing this on a cutting board, but with the process of moving 100 things down to the Keys, I obviously forgot my cutting board. So I had to make do with what I had. So I used the cooler top. I rinsed the fish off, and then I got ready to proceed to the next step.
Dice this yellow jack up. Nice little chunks. Not too small, not too big. So I have a bowl of diced tomatoes. There's bell peppers in here, some orange onions, and cilantro. I'm gonna go ahead and add a fish. Somehow I forgot to bring a spoon out of everything. And next we have some mango, some hot peppers, some avocado. That's the finished product over here. We got some chips.
So yeah, that was the finished product of the ceviche. And man, when I tell you that thing was good, I probably almost lost a finger. It was actually going to be the first time my friends were trying ceviche or any raw fish really to begin with. So let's get the reactions on it.
How could I forget the secret ingredient? Try that shit with me. You got lettuce, you got peppers. Pick your poison.
Good shit, I ain't gonna lie, that shit fire. You gonna leave me hanging like that? That shit good, keep on. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a salsa. It's fire.
You can't even tell it's fish in there.
It's good. It's good, though.
You can't even tell it's fish in there, honey.
No, it tastes like salsa. I don't know if the piedmont threw it off.
My boy back there was amazed. He could not believe what he just got done tasting.
Oh my God.
Uh-huh.
Oh my.
He snapped.
Uh-huh.
Now what we looking for? That's current.
Mango in there.
Bro. What the did you just do?
No, for real. What did you do?
What did you just do in my life?
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never liked ceviche. I don't know if the way you made it, but I don't know.
I got mango in there, avocado.
Was that orange you put in it?
Now, fun fact, a little misconception a lot of people have is that in ceviche, that the lemon juice or whatever citrus you use cooks the fish, but in reality, it cannot cook the protein. It just kind of kills whatever bacteria is in it that could possibly harm you and make it a little bit safer to eat raw. But you still got to eat it at your own risk because you never know.
Hey man, you want to try this? I promise you, you won't regret it.
I don't know if you like spice, but it's good.
Good job.
Is that ceviche?
Yellow tail. I mean, I say yellow tail.
Hey man, that's
Oh, yellow jack.
Nah, for real, you need to get Mike the recipe too.
All right, so the word of the day is gonna come from Proverbs 3:5, and it says, "Trust the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding." I think I could apply this here because if I went based off my first experience with going to the Keys and saw how much money I wasted and decided not to go back ever again, I would have never ran into this day. And I took a leap of faith. I trusted God to provide, and he sure did. And I'm very thankful for it. So thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. I hope you were entertained, educated, and most importantly, blessed by something you heard. Bless up, and I'm gonna see y'all soon.